Let's cut to the chase. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is insane. It features a solidly built plastic body, along with a powerful 1-inch camera sensor, 2-inch brilliantly designed rotating touchscreen, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, and allows you to shoot in up to 4K at 120 frames per second. And all of these features are somehow squeezed into a compact package that fits comfortably in your hand, can be carried in your pocket or purse, and weighs just 179 grams. What's up guys, this is Shiv, and today we're talking about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which as you can see is going to help you take crisp, steady videos for your holidays and content. The gimbal itself comes with a protective cover, which has inserts inside in case you want to store lenses for the camera, a wrist strap, USB-C cable, and a handle with a 1/4-inch thread that extends the length of the gimbal to make it more comfortable in your hand, and allows you to attach it to any standard tripod. To keep things simple, it's got just 2 buttons. One's a clickable joystick for zoom and manually directing the gimbal, and the other is to record, and it's got a micro SD card slot which takes up to 512 GB on the side as well. Let's jump straight to the main reason you buy the Osmo Pocket 3, for its incredible video capabilities. The Pocket 3 lets you quickly film in under 2 or 3 seconds by just rotating the screen, so you're always ready for your next shot, and it records in 4K resolution in landscape up to 120 frames per second, depending on the video mode you choose. The picture is sharp and the colours are vibrant, and the 3-axis gimbal makes sure that your shots remain stable even during more intense camera movements. I was really impressed by how quickly the camera is able to focus, which DJI are calling full pixel fast focusing. And there's also a new product showcase mode which prioritizes the foreground and can focus on a subject quickly and smoothly, which is great for product reviews. It has up to 2x digital zoom, so you do lose some clarity when you zoom in compared to an optical zoom system. The Active Track 6.0 feature is one of the Pocket 3's best capabilities, letting you automatically detect and track faces or select objects that you want to stay locked to the center of your screen. The camera then moves automatically and smoothly, giving you a really nice cinematic shot. There's also loads of different video recording options, so you can record normally, create a time lapse, switch to selfie mode easily, create a spin shot, which is a lot of fun, and record in slow motion, giving you so much flexibility for your shots. If you're a professional and want to capture a bit more detail, the 10-bit D-Log and HLG color modes let you record landscapes with high dynamic range, letting you color grade in post-production, presenting accurate and colorful shots with clear and vivid details. The Pocket 3 also records in portrait mode, which is great for social media like Instagram Reels or TikTok, but you only get 3K resolution instead of the full 4K you get in landscape. The camera lens itself is equivalent to a 20mm focal length f2.0 aperture, which means you get quite a wide shot with pretty great background blur. In terms of sound, the Pocket 3 has 3 microphones, 2 on each side and 1 on the back, to make sure you can hear me pretty clearly. I was also really impressed with the Pocket 3's low light capabilities. It has a dedicated low light mode, and the picture remains really sharp and focused. It's able to capture colors really nicely, and the blacks and shadows have minimal noise, so you're able to shoot really detailed videos at night and indoors as well, which is insane for a camera of this size. You're able to get really close to your subject in both day and low light situations, and still get great looking video, so I'd say the video capabilities of the Pocket 3 are really strong. Moving on to the photos you're able to capture using the Pocket 3. So the camera is approximately 9.4 megapixels, and I would say that the images you're able to capture are fine. They're not amazing, and probably compared to phones from 5 or 6 years ago. Even at 1x zoom in daylight, the images seem to be slightly overexposed with strong highlights, and you can see that the crane in this picture has nearly completely disappeared as a result. Again, because it only has 2x digital zoom, it's like cropping into your image and losing half the image quality. So in this picture, you can't really see the texture of the wood paneling, and the stone carvings and roof tiles are a little flat. I was, however, able to get these pretty nice close-up shots, and actually a few low-light pictures came through decently as well, so it may just be a hit and miss depending on your subject and the lighting on that day. Although that said, I would still say today's phone cameras capture much better shots than these. The screen itself is a 2-inch 16:9 dimension rotating screen, which is used to power the device on and off, with a maximum brightness of 700 nits, which I found was more than enough for outdoor use. The menus are easy to navigate and let you view your media, access all your settings, your video quality and frame rate, and also features such as Glamour mode, which can help smooth out your skin, brighten your face, and even make your nose a little smaller, which is amusing. The DJI Mimo app is also easy to navigate and lets you wirelessly control your gimbal from your phone. And Pocket 3 also works with the Lightcut app, which is a video editing app officially recommended by DJI. The Pocket 3 has a great battery life. The 1300 mAh battery is plenty to power this little device, and DJI state that it can run for 166 minutes while recording. I was also pleasantly surprised when I left the Pocket 3 after using it in a box for 2 weeks, and came back to see it still had 20% charge left, so it clearly retains its battery power really well as well. It also only needs 16 minutes to charge to 80% and 32 minutes to full power, which is obviously a big advantage if you're in a rush and considering it lasts for nearly 3 hours while recording. So who's it for? First, you have to consider the two different pricing options. You can either buy the Pocket 3 on its own like I did for £489 or $519, or you can buy the Creator Combo for £619 or $669. And for that extra money, you get a DJI mic, widescreen lens attachment, battery handle, mini tripod, and a carrying bag, which actually seems like quite good value for money. I see this device being for three groups of people. The first are casual holiday goers who want to use this as an action camera and get really cool videos of the travel experiences and just capture shots really easily in the moment. So they'd probably go for just the Pocket 3 on its own. The second group are videographers who want to capture shots that their primary camera can't capture, maybe due to the size of the camera or the Pocket 3's active track feature. And lastly, and most obviously, for vloggers. The compact form factor makes it really easy and convenient to carry around, and because it's so lightweight, you won't get tired while using it. Overall, the Pocket 3 is great for taking high quality, steady videos, and I want to know your thoughts on this awesome piece of tech. What do you think of its features, and would you consider buying one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, if you enjoy the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.